You have to wait till it's at a certain temp, about 900 degrees. And metal is porous, just like your face. So you know how your face has pores and stuff like that?
Yeah.
Same thing. So what happens when it gets hot enough, it melts.
So this is Ingrid. She is my next door neighbor.
Thank you, Felix. Thank you for the advice.
Alright, so when you're looking at it after you quench it, if you still see water on the metal, it's safe to go ahead and tip touch. Okay? If it evaporates right away, it's still hot. So now, smell the arm. Magic wand.
And it's great. And it takes some